Hi guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. Today my mother is going to show you how to make this mini Khaja recipe, which is very yummy and perfect. First take 1 cup of sugar plus half cup of water. Then take 3 cardamom. And then bring it to a boil and make a sugar syrup. And then squeeze a half lemon. And then add a pinch of saffron. My mother is checking the chickiness and it should be like that. Now keep it aside. Now take a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of maida plus 1 tablespoon of oil. Then mix it well and then keep it aside. It should look something like that. Now take a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of maida, half cup of oil and then knead them all together. After kneading for a while, it should look something like that. Then again add 1 cup of maida and again knead it for 1 minute. Now add half cup of water. Knead it for 2 to 3 minutes and make a roti dough. After kneading for a while, it should look something like that. Now rest it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it is now looking very great. It is also not sticky. Again knead it for 1 minute on maida. And then divide the dough. Now roll it. This process might be looking like we are making a roti, but trust the process. Keep rolling just like a roti. Now grease it with the oil mixture we have made before. And then roll them all together. After rolling them, cut them into so many equal parts. And also make sure to tap it with a finger like that. Now put our mini khaja in the hot oil one by one. You guys can put it half by half if you want. Our kadai is very big, that's why we are adding all of them together. Flip and fry until it has a crispy golden color. At first you guys should fry them at medium flame for 5 to 6 minutes. Then you guys should go for high flame. Frying them on medium to high, it will become golden crispy color automatically. If you guys do it on high flame fully, the inside will not be crispy or soft. It will be like something like raw, but the outside will be burnt. It's all now fried well. Now take them out of the hot oil and drop them in a plate. We are going to take them all and dip it in the sugar syrup. We are going to add it while it is hot. While the sugar syrup is cool, we are going to add the hot khaja in it. Flip it all so that the sugar syrup gets in all of them. Now take it out of the sugar syrup. And now it's ready to serve. It is very yummy, crispy and also very soft in the middle. You guys can see how juicy and crispy it is looking. It is very delicious and tasty. Bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.